Welcome to this quick training on how to use CCB to manage your group. As a group leader, CCB is the main tool you'll use to communicate with your group members. It helps keep everyone's contact information up to date, allows you to send emails and text messages, and makes it easy to stay connected without having to create your own contact lists. Let's walk through the basics. Start by going to our church's CCB login page. Enter your username and password. If you've forgotten your password, simply click Forgot Password and follow the prompts to reset it. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at your home page. On the left-hand menu, select the icon for groups and select My Groups. This video is based on the new experience, so make sure that's selected. You should see the group or groups that you lead. You can also search the group name in the search box. Click on the name of the group to open it. This is your group's main page where you'll find member information, communication tools, attendance, and other resources. Click on the Participation tab. Here you'll see everyone who belongs to your group. You'll be able to view their contact information. If someone tells you their contact information has changed, please let the church office know so we can update it in CCB. To add a new member, click on the Add New Member button. Search for the person by typing in their name, and then click on Add to Group. One of the most useful features is sending emails. Click on the Messages tab. Click on the New Message button. Select who you want to send it to. Most of the time, you'll choose all. You can click the box to say Allow replies or untick it if you do not want replies. Enter your subject line, type your message, take a moment to proofread it before sending. You can also attach files such as images or PDF brochures. When everything looks good, click Send Message. Everyone in your group will receive the email. You can also send text messages to your group. In the top right-hand corner, select the menu button with the 3 dots. Choose Send a Text. Type a short message. Remember that text messages work best for reminders, schedule changes, or quick announcements. Once you're ready, click Send Now. Only members with a mobile number, carrier information, and text messaging enabled will receive the text message. If your group tracks attendance, you will get an email after the event has started to ask you to track attendance. You will simply click on the box in the email to record attendance. If you do not get the email or want to do it directly in CCB, you can also do so by going to the group and clicking on the Calendar tab. Select the event you want to record the attendance for in the calendar. Then once in the event, select the Attendance tab. Then record the attendance. You can also edit the attendance here afterwards. Click the boxes next to each name that was in attendance. If they were visitors that is not yet in CCB, you can record their numbers in the box provided on the top. You need to select whether you want to send the summary to the entire group or no one. always select No One. If your group did not meet, you can select the Did Not Meet button and then click Save. You can also use the Lead app for some of these features on your phone by downloading the Lead app in Google Play or Apple Store. You will log into the Lead app with the same login information you use on CCB. Select the group option on the bottom menu. You can search for the group and then select the group name. To send a message, select Messages. Choose who you want to send it to. Type in your subject and message and select Send. You can also send a group text by selecting Send Group Text. Type your message and click Send. You can also view and add members by selecting Members. To add a new member, select the plus in the top right-hand corner. Search for the person, and once selected, they will be added to the group.